don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see it. It's war zone, cuz. War zone, cuz. Streets. Whole streets. People trying to figure out how to get back to their house. I told you I was gonna get you some raw footage, brother. Whole streets, cuz. Whole streets. This ain't even my fucking neighborhood, bro. We ain't going to my neighborhood yet. We might not even be able to get there. She's out there with a fucking leaf blower with soggy shit. What the fuck did I just run over?
Tree limbs.
Ooh. These houses are so lucky they're up high. So lucky they're up high. Look at these people right here, Steve. Look, they're in boats, cuz. They're in boats. It's a little something I was telling you about. This is an intersection, big dog. You can see the stop sign right here. That's a stop sign. It's all water, cuz. I'm in a 4x4 truck.
Go this way, just try down there.
Yeah, that's towards my parents' house down there. I'm gonna go forward down this road here. Can't go down that way. What I'm trying to do now is go back home to my own house, which is 20 minutes up north.